Okay. See you in Manar.
See you in my life.
We're in Manar?
Like this, carrying in the.
You go there. What? We'll go shopping? Ramadan Kareem. Now you're buying shoes? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, what about this one? Can you try?
I don't need to leave it. Wow.
You like it?
I don't like it. Brown and it's like poopy.
What is that toy?
Uh,
Show. Lizards? What you will do with that?
You have to put it in the water and it will become very big.
Really? We'll see. You need to put it in the basin.
Yeah, and how many days it costs for this too? How many days?
Maybe years. Carrefour in Manar Mall. Chocomilk, no price. 11. Your Chocomilk is quite expensive, huh? But it's yummy.
But it shows in the picture chocolate milk.
Kaya
makes it-
magtuluan.
But you see, there's
Kuha na.
this one too. This one plus. Look. But see, look at.
Mm.
And that means chocolate milk plus strawberry milk equals this.
Mm. Pa. Lamion kayo ilang mga pan guys oh. Palit to rin. Pagkapi. Seafood section, palit niya taning pasayan ug isda pod. Barato kayong sibuyas dere guys, tagpiso ra ang kilo. Sa Pinas, mahal kayo. Guwapa kayo lang mga kamatis, guwapa pa sa imong uyab. Talong, lain-laing klase. May dagko, may green, may mugbo, may tagas. Kanya tagas? Palit po tag lamas. Importante kayong lamas magluto. Mao ni higanting repolyo diri guys. Ug na pud higanting sibuyas dahonan. Asa pa mo ana? Mao ni karne nila diri guys. Naay baka, naay muton, pero wala lang yung mga moy. Ug ang paboritong manok. Egg section. Lain-laing klase sa sili ni diring dapita. Pineapple. Parang dako ang manggaha. Mga berries family. Kotag arwa dag. Next customer na. Ano na dito? Lapa mo dito? Where are you, Iliboy? I cannot see you. I'm taking video. What are you eating, man?
Eating this.
What is that?
And I'm eating like the two of them.
It's yummy?
Mama, I made a gun here.
Are you hungry now? How is it? Yummy? Can I have one? Dalo.
Get me that. Get me that.
Huh?
Mom. Get me out.
Okay, give me one bite. I will take you down.
Give me Lee. Can I last bite me, Lee, with me? Last bite with me. Lee,
Thank you. You choose that one?
And the other one.
How much is that?
Cool.
2 dirham?
Now I know.
Burger is ready. The other one is eating his hand with chocolate. Bulingit. It's a bulingit na. First bite man dahil ro.
Yeah, so
Uli nami guys. See you next video. Bye bye.